Did you know that a tiny seed, smaller than a grain of rice, can hold the key to feeling fuller longer? It sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. This little wonder, the chia seed, is packed with nutrients and fiber that can work wonders for your health, especially if you're looking to manage your weight. I've always been fascinated by the power of nature, and my journey with chia seeds is a testament to that. It's a story of hope, transformation, and the realization that sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference. Stay with me as I share my personal experience with these incredible seeds and how they helped me regain control of my appetite and achieve my weight loss goals. Like many of you, I've had my fair share of struggles with weight. The constant battle with the scale, the yo-yo dieting, the feeling of being stuck. It's a journey filled with frustration and disappointment. I tried everything, fad diets, extreme workouts, you name it, but nothing seemed to work long-term. I knew I needed a sustainable solution, something that would address the root cause of my weight gain. That's when I stumbled upon chia seeds. At first, I was skeptical. How could something so small have such a profound impact? But I was desperate for a change, and I was willing to give it a try. Little did I know that this tiny seed would change my life. The first thing I noticed after incorporating chia seeds into my diet was their incredible ability to curb my appetite. I started by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to my breakfast smoothie every morning. The seeds absorbed the liquid in the smoothie, expanding and creating a gel-like texture that kept me feeling full and satisfied for hours. Gone were the days of mid-morning cravings and reaching for unhealthy snacks. I was finally in control of my hunger, and it felt amazing. This newfound control over my appetite was a game-changer in my weight loss journey. Section 4. The science behind the magic of chia. Now you might be wondering, what is it about chia seeds that makes them so effective in controlling appetite? Well, the answer lies in their unique nutritional composition. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water in your digestive system, forming a gel that slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and a healthy digestive system. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals that provide sustained energy and support overall well-being. Section 5. Your journey to a healthier you starts now. Ready to embark on your own chia seed journey? I'm excited for you to experience the incredible benefits of these tiny but mighty seeds. Stay tuned for my next essay where I'll share some of my favorite ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. From delicious smoothies and puddings to salads and soups, the possibilities are endless. And remember, your journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Now tell me, have you tried chia seeds before? What are your thoughts? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.